Are you attending the PGA Show this year? Well, we're here to share some quick tips to get prepared. 57 RepSpark brands will be exhibiting this year at the PGA Show, and we wanted to give you a quick reminder of how to get pre-approved, find out contact information, and some other helpful tips. So I'm logged on to the RepSpark community, and I'm immediately directed to my dashboard. And from here, what I'm going to start to do is just review what brands have accepted me and then take a look of what other brands I'd like to connect with. So I'm going to click from the dashboard to My Brands. So in the My Brands tabs, this is all the brands that I am already approved with and I'm already an existing customer. So for example, Good Golf, all I have to do is just click these three buttons if I need a little reminder of who's my sales rep and get the contact information and give them a call or email and like to book an appointment. So as a reminder, you can use these three buttons and then review all of your brands that you have already been accepted with. And if you scroll down, you'll see pending brands. These brands are brands that you've requested access but have not approved you yet. You can send them a reminder or again, find out their contact information. So now what I'd like to do is just go into the regular RepSpark tab and start looking at brands that I might like to connect with. So you'll see that if the green button says connect, this means that I'm not a customer yet. So Iliac is a great brand on RepSpark, and all I have to do is click connect and it will send them a request. So if I click the green connect button, you'll see it says optional customer code, but since I'm not a customer yet, I'm just going to go ahead and send the request. And that is done. And then another way to find out is let's look at one of our featured brands. Even though I'm already approved, I'm going to take a look at Full Turn. And you'll see that Full Turn, again, has an email, a phone number. But if you scroll down, they'll have additional information. And what I also wanted to show is how you can pre-shop certain brands. So Gloveit is another great brand out of Scottsdale. And if you click the three dots, you'll see that they have, again, provided their email and phone number. But what I wanted to demonstrate is they also have included a sample catalog. So even if you were not approved yet as a buyer, I could just quickly download sample catalog and it will go straight to my computer and I can preview their product line. So these are just all ways to connect before the show, try to make appointments, and be prepared for a busy PGA show.